Hello, Julia.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Julia?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine. Julia, did you go to school today?
Yes, yes, I did.
What did you do in school today?
In my school, I learned um in my school I learned math, Vietnamese, science, and history.
Okay. So are you happy today, Julia?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I am. Are you
Uh,
happy?
it, yes, I am.
Okay, Julia, welcome to class. This was where we stopped in our last class. We are still under the topic teacher or no teacher.
Okay.
Teacher or no teacher. Okay, so now let's answer the questions. Number one question says, is it easy to find the answers to schoolwork on the internet?
I think yes, it is.
So why do you think it's easy to find
Um,
it?
I I think there are many websites, search engines like Google and educational apps that provide quick answers and explanations for almost uh, almost, almost many subjects.
Okay, provide. Say the word provide, not
uh,
provide. Say it again.
provide
Now say this one.
almost.
Good, almost. Okay. Now, number two question says, if you don't understand the question, will you use the internet to understand it better?
Um, I think Hmm. I I think
You,
yes. I will.
you're sure
Yes.
you would understand the question better?
Yes. I will. I often look for video toward tutorials or articles that explain the topic in a simpler way,
In a
which
simpler
help
or singular?
simpler simpler.
Again, which one?
Simpler. Simpler.
Simpler. Okay, I thought you said singular way. In a simpler way. Say the word simpler.
Simpler.
Okay.
Simpler way, which helps me. Um, it helps me. Um, I think. I think. Uh, uh, which helps me imagine the problem better.
Helps you imagine the words.
Problem better.
Okay, the problem better. Okay. Number three. Do you think your classmates will study if there are no teacher in the classroom?
I think probably not.
Okay.
Um, without a teacher, any student might not get distracted, play games, or talk to each other instead of focusing on their lessons.
On their what?
On their lessons.
Take that again.
Talk to each other instead of focusing on their lessons.
Focusing. Focusing. Yeah. Okay. You think the students will play and talk to each other instead of focusing on the lesson when there is no teacher in the class, right?
Yes.
Number 4 question says, are there any lessons that always need a teacher?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Maybe.
what kind of lesson do you think needs a teacher, a compulsory teacher?
Yes. Because lessons like physical education, science experiment, are complex moral questions need a teacher to ensure safety and provide that guidance.
Okay, so you said subject like physical education, again, science experiments, yes, they need teachers to explain this better to the students and to ensure that the students understand. Number 5 question says, if we don't need teachers, will we still need schools in the future? Do you think there will still be school in the future if there is no teacher? Will school still exist?
Yes, we will, because schools are not just for learning facts. They are places where we meet friends, learn source skills and practical play in team activities.
Again? Say it again.
Okay. Okay. Yes, we will. Schools are not just for learning facts.
Okay.
They are places where we'll meet friends, learn social skills and practical play in team activities.
Hold on. They are where we meet friends and what? Learn
source goal.
Again, what is that?
Source goal.
Spell, can you spell that?
COCRSS. No. SOCIAL.
What is that? They are where we learn what?
Source goal.
Social.
Social
environment. Social. Okay. Go on. Social what?
Social skills.
And what else? They are where we learn social skills.
And practice participate.
Practice what?
Participate.
Again?
Social skills and participate.
Well then, social skills and participate. Right? Sorry, participate. Okay. And what else?
and suspect in team activities.
Again? Participate what?
Is invested in team activities.
In team activities. Okay. Okay. Now let's choose one of the statements below and debate about them. And debate about it. The first one is, we don't need teachers anymore in the classroom. Number 2, students can learn more by using computers. Number 3, students have less stress if they learn from computers. Which one are we going for, Julia?
Teacher, a statement questions me.
Again?
Statement STATMENTS. What is mean?
Statements. Okay. Statement means one of these words. Statement is a word that you say, okay?
Okay.
Like number 1 is a statement. Number 2 is a statement. Okay, it's a word.
I think number 2.
Okay, let's go for number 2. Students can learn more by using computers. So why do you think students can learn more by using computers?
I think because I think okay. I think
Because first, there
student
is number 1, there is no time factor for students. When you learn with computer, you can learn at any time. You can learn for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. There is no time limit. Okay.
okay.
Can you think of any? Student can learn from computer because there is no time factor. Meaning, student can decide to learn in the morning or in the afternoon or in the midnight or in the evening.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Can you think of any?
I think student. I think student can use the computer to help for the study like math, history, English.
Harder subjects like maths, English, history, and English. Okay, can you think of any other?
I think um I think uh in the internet have many things but a student can use computer to learn, but student now student maybe use the computer to enter to relax, um like watch films, listening music, but do not watch very much too much because it's not because but and it's not good for good for eyes.
No, we are saying it is good to learn using computer. Okay, so student can learn more by using computer should be a positive answer. Okay, when you say when they watch TV, listen to music, learn from the computer is not good for the eyes. That is a negative answer. Okay, we want the positive one. Okay,
Okay.
student can interact with others using the computer. They can interact with other people. And also, when you use computer, using computer is fun,
Um,
fun, because there are different learning, different ways of learning. You know, some people learned in different ways. Some people use game, visual, pictures, videos to learn, okay?
okay.
By using pictures, games, and video. Okay, read what we have in number one, Julia.
Um, I think question. Question one.
Okay. Number two says students can learn more by using computers because one,
Because because there is no time factor.
number two, students can
They
learn
can
more by
use
using computer because
they can use the computer to learn harder subjects like math, history, and English.
okay, students can learn more by using computers
Uh, because the internet has many information.
okay, number four, students can learn more by using computers because
They can interact with other people.
okay, students can learn more by using computers
Because using computer is fun because there is different way of learning by using computers, games, and video.
yeah, some people learn by games. I don't know if you've seen this game puzzle, word puzzle. You learn how to spell using different letters and words. You guess the word using game. Have you seen that? Do you know that?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so those are ways people use computer to learn. Okay, so that will be going to a new topic. Using public transportation. What is our new topic, Julia?
Using public transportation.
Transportation.
Transportations.
Transportation.
Transportations.
No? Transportation. Transportation.
Stations.
No? Transport.
Transportation.
No? Transportation.
Transportations.
Again?
Transportations.
No, there's no shins at the end. Just transportation.
Transportation.
Okay, so do you know the meaning of transportation?
Yeah.
Okay. Using public transportation. Example of public transportation is, Julia?
Many people use their cars to travel to work and or the supermarket.
Oh,
However,
no. Example of public transportation is?
Example is the cars, the motor scooter, the motorbike.
Good. Aeroplane.
And then the train.
The train, yeah. The bus. All those are public transportation. It is public transportation because many people, okay,
Yeah.
many people use it. We have private transportation and public transportation. The public transportation is the transportation for everybody in the community. Okay, everybody can use it. Everybody can enter the same bus. That's why it's called public transportation. Now read what we have here, Julia. Many people.
Okay, many people use theirs. Many people use their cars to travel to work or in the supermarket. However, it will be much better if everyone use public transport uses public transportations.
Transportation.
Transportation.
Okay, it will be better if everybody.
If everyone uses public transport stations, such as buses, trains, and subways.
And subways. So it will be better if everybody use public transportation. But Julia, do you prefer public transportation or private transportation? Which do you prefer, Julia?
I think electric car.
Okay, that private, right? Your personal,
Yeah.
personal transportation.
Yes.
Now look at the destination in the table below. Decide on the best way to get there from your home. Explain why you have made each choice. Okay. Number one, the destination is the city hall at 9 a.m. What type of transportation will you use to go to the city hall?
I think subways.
Subways. right?
Yeah.
So why
Yes.
do you think subways?
I think because it is fast and no traffic.
Okay. Number 2, Busan just before. Just
I think train.
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 Why
Yes.
why do you think?
I think the road is very busy.
Okay, so train will go faster. Train.
Yeah.
The road is always very busy. Okay, your friend's place at night. Your friend's place at night.
I think the car.
Why?
I think because it is safe and fast.
Okay. Car. And the last one, the city library in the morning. Julia? Julia?
Um, I think um, when in the America, I think the bus. I think a bus because it is cheap and near.
Because it is what?
Because it's cheap and near.
It's trip. This?
No, trip.
Can you spell?
H EIP. No,
Oh,
CHEI.
chip, and near, right? Chip,
Yes.
chip. Okay, because it's cheap and near. Right. Let's quickly take our vocabulary for this week before we continue. Okay,
Okay.
Julia?
Okay.
Number 1, provide.
Provide.
Almost.
Almost.
Simpler.
Simpler.
Focusing.
Focusing.
Social.
Social.
Participate.
Participate.
Transportation.
Transport station.
Cheap.
Trip.
Number 1.
Provide.
Number 2.
Almost.
Number 3.
Simpler.
Number 4.
Focusing.
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 Number 5.
Social.
Number 6.
Participate.
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 For example, participate means to join. Julia participated in the game. Okay?
Okay.
I will participate in the dancing competition. I will participate. Participate means to join, okay?
Okay.
Good. Number 7,
Transportation.
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 Number 8,
Trip.
good. All right, Julia, we've come to the end of today's class. Goodbye, Julia.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night.
Okay, can I see your face?
Okay.
Can you look at the camera?
Yes.
All right, yeah. Good night.
Bye, teacher. Good night.
Night. Sleep well.